In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to drive a Tesla. Alright, standing behind me is a Model 3 Tesla 2022, and I've been driving this for a long time, so I know how to drive this really well. So I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know in order to be able to get in and drive this car. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is how to get inside the car. To get inside the car, you have doorknobs here, and there's actually two ways. It's from your app, your cell phone, and your Tesla card. So let me show you how that looks like. So this is the Tesla key. In order for you to get inside the car, you need to use this. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to use this to actually get inside the car. This is the Tesla key, and basically there's one card that comes with every key. You can program it, you can save your profile on this, and that way whenever you tap this on the car to get in, it knows exactly who it is, and basically it will give you access to it. Okay, so let me show you how to use this and how to get in the car. So basically, to get inside the car, you need your Tesla card key, and you see the side over here, there's a camera. You don't put it on the camera. What you do is you put it on the bottom of it, and you just press it right here, and you see the mirrors just came open. That means the card is activated, and then you can open the door. And let me show you now how to open the door properly. These are very unique door handles, and as you see, it's very flush against the door. Okay, so you know, like it could get confusing, right? If you haven't gone inside a Tesla before. Very simple. What you do is you take two fingers. I don't recommend one, I recommend two fingers, and all you have to do is just press over here and the door opens. Okay, so basically you need to do this with two hands, because if you try to do this with one hand, you see it closes, right? So it's not very effective. So let me show you another technique. So you press it with one thumb over here, and then you grab it like this with one hand, and then you open the door, right? So that's how you open the door for Tesla, with one hand. So let me try to do this with two hands, and let me show you how that looks like. This is how you open the door handle for Tesla, so with two hands. So first you press over here, and then with the other hand you grab the door handle and you can pull it open. So these door handles, you see them on Lamborghinis, and it's kind of surprising how, you know, Tesla put this, you know, on a Tesla. It just shows you like the luxury that they wanted to create, right? Because you only saw these door handles like on Lamborghinis. Now you see them on Tesla, so they're becoming more common, and you know, it's showing that it's kind of like useful. So that's how you open the door, and let me show you how to get in and out of the car now. So let me open up the door again. One hand, and one thing you notice is that these windows, right, they don't have any frame over here on top. So whenever you're opening the door, you know, people, because they're used to like normal cars, they use the windscreen or the windshield or the windows here, right, to open the door, but like it creates like fingerprints here, so that's not very fun to have your hands over here. So the proper way of actually opening up these doors is putting your hand here on the side over here. See, there's enough space here between the window and this door over here. So this is what you use to actually open the door and close the door, like this. And yeah, you just use this part over here. Okay, so let me get inside and let me show you how to actually properly sit inside and how to get out. So it's very convenient actually to sit inside. So you put one foot in here and you just slide in like this. So super convenient, right? And to get out, same thing. I open the door completely fully, one foot out, and then you just get out like this. So super easy to get in and out of the car. All right guys, so now I'm going to show you how to start the Tesla. So I have here my Tesla card key. The space is right after the cup holders, so you actually need to put the card over here. So let me show you. So I'm going to place the card here, so I put it here. It does not matter if you put it facing up or facing down, either way it works. So you put it down, and then the next thing you need to do is you need to put your foot on the brake. Okay, you need to put your foot on the brake, and then you're going to see that the car gets activated on the screen. So let me show you that. And yeah, just listen to the sound. So you heard that? So now the car is activated, and the sign that's coming up is telling me to put on my seatbelt. Okay, and that's how you start the car. All right, so now that the car is activated, I want to drive the car, right? In order for the car to move forward, what you need to do is you put your foot on the brake. Car is activated. You hear that sound. It's asking you to put the seatbelt on. So let's put the seatbelt on. Okay, now we're ready to drive. And in order for you to activate driving mode, you have to put this over here, this lever. This is actually how you control the car. If you want to put it in drive, park, reverse, this is how you do it. There's no, as you see here, there's no gear shift box over here. So you use it here. So in order to put it into drive, you press down. So let me show you. And now it's telling me it's in drive. So that means I can move the car. The door is open, so I can't drive. But yeah, so now the car is in drive, and let me show you, how to get the car to move. Oh, it's actually moving. Now, if I wanted to put it into park, all I do is press the button over here, and the car will go in park. Let me show you. There you go. The car is now in park, and to make the car go into reverse, you push the handle over here up. So let me show you. And now all the cameras over here, they're all activated. They have one in the back, and then on the left side and on the right side. So all the cameras are activated, and it makes this noise, like this UFO noise, once you're reversing. And basically those are the 3 ways to change gears. Okay, to put the car in neutral, you just press a bit up, and you don't put it all the way up, just a bit up. So if you put all the way up, it's reverse, and if you just put it up once, it's drive. So let me show you. There you go. Now it's in neutral. I'm not sure what's gonna happen to the car. Oh, the car doesn't move. Okay, awesome. Okay, so when you're driving, you're going to have to turn sometimes left or right, and in order for you to give a signal, it's located on the left side of the steering wheel. So you have here the indicators that show left and right. So if you want to turn left, you press down, and the left indicator starts blinking on your screen, so you know it's activated, plus it gives you a sound. Now if you want to turn right, you have to press upwards, and now the right indicator is blinking, and it's making that sound as well. And what's really cool is that the camera on the right side also gets activated. So before turning, you're able to see your blind spot, and it's very convenient to actually look at this instead of having to go forward and look back, right? Because it's taking your eyes off the road, and which is dangerous. So I really like that feature that automatically, whenever you turn on the signal, they give you the view of the camera in the back, so you can safely change lanes. Same thing for the left, it gives you camera on the left as well, making very safe to change. Sometimes you don't see bicycles and stuff, people that are coming by, but with this, it makes it very easy to keep your eyes on the road, and when you're turning, do it safely. I just showed you guys step by step how to get inside a Tesla, so let me just do the entire thing just to show you how it looks like from beginning all the way till the end. So I'm gonna grab my Tesla card, okay? I'm gonna put it right under the camera. Car is now open. One hand, grab the handle, open it from the side. I'm gonna get inside now. All right, I'm sliding in. All right, so I'm gonna take my cart, I'm gonna put it right behind the cup holders. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. Car is now activated, you can hear the sound. All right, I have my seatbelt. Now I'll put my foot on the brake and press down, and the car is ready to drive. So now let's drive. I'm gonna open up the windows because it's really hot. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh, I see a Porsche in front of me. Might be the next car that I get, but it is beautiful, all in red. You'll see maybe in the camera. Oh, there you go. What a beauty. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. I just showed you how to drive a Tesla for the first time. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to show you guys more tips, tricks about Tesla, how to drive it, how to buy it, and how to actually drive it for free, because I teach a lot about finance and I don't like to pay for stuff. I like getting stuff for free. So if you guys are interested in financial tips as well, right? These are just tips and tricks, how to improve your life. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what videos you'd like me to make regarding Tesla, regarding finance. I'll share all that, all those tips with you guys so that you can improve your life and one day, also be driving a Tesla just like this. So that's it for me, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.